Hi there, this is Manisha Karangiya, and today in this video I'm going to demonstrate the SYN flood attack execution. In today's vast computer network, communication happens through series of TCP handsets between systems. Imagine if someone flooded a server with countless handshake requests, ending its capacity to respond effectively. This scenario explains the situation in TCP flood SYN flood attack that I'm going to show in this video. The tool that I will be using is HPing3 for the demonstration, and as you can see here, I have the Kali Linux as an attacker machine, and I have the Windows server machine as a victim, and I'm showing here the IP address of the victim 192.162.2.12. So in the Kali, I'm going to see if I can reach the victim machine from here by pinging the address. And for the capturing this attack, I have also installed this software called Colasoft Capsa. This is the trial version that I have right now, and I have one alarm set over here that I will show you. And so yeah, here is the TCP SYN flooding alarm that I have already set over here, and as you can see, I have set the 100 packets in 1 second. When it reaches the 100 SYN packets, it's going to there will alarm go off in this software, so we can analyze the attack. So right now I'm going to enable the TCP dump using this command, and let's ping the machine. Yeah, it is reachable. Okay, so this is the hping3 tool command. The machine IP address, and the S stands for the SYN packet. This is a machine that will send the packets. It's a random IP that I have used here. Port will be 22, the source port, and this will flood the machine using this activate. Okay, so let's run this. We will capture the TCP dump here. Okay. Yeah, so the attack has been enabled. This is our software to capture. And I'm also going to use the netstat. Okay, so here the alarm go off. Yep, so the SYN flooding is happening, as you can see. And here with using netstat, we can capture the packets that we are receiving on the server. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, we are receiving the packets from the 192.162.2.01, and this will be a bit slower than the software that I'm using. But as you can see here in the TCP tab, it's sending more than 100 packets in a second. It's, yeah, as you can see. But the next step will be a bit slower here, but we can see the results. And to mitigate this attack, we can set something in the Windows firewall. Section, so there will be some ports then we can allow or block as our requirements. And from here, yeah, so as you can see, the SSH is allowing the connection right now, and we can block the connection if we want. So we will not be receiving or acknowledging this kind of SYN packets. So right now it's allowing the connection. So yeah, in the software that I am using, I'm gonna stop the attack right now, and yeah, from here as well. Okay, so we can see the packets that we received here. See, yeah, that is our IP that's showing here. You can even see the location. Right now it's a private IP, that's why it's showing local. Okay, yeah, we have the connection with the destination port of 22. And as you can see, it's the long list of the packets received. And in the protocol section, we can see the TCP, we can see the bytes, and in the endpoint, we can see there is our IP that we used, the location. If it was public, it could show the location. And then there is a TCP section 2, which we can see the port and the request that we received. We have also the DOS attack. Yeah, that's here. The DOS attacking. So here we have the attack. So that's why it's showing here. We have the attack from this machine, and this is the number of the packets that we received. And in a few minutes, it will crash the machine. But right now it's in the process, and I just want to show you the further information that I can get here. Okay, and let's see if we close the connection here on the SSH. We can stop this, or yeah, let's see. It is blocked now, and I want to stop this log now. So I have to save this data first. Okay. Okay, so I start on capture there. Okay, let's start the attack again. Yep. And this is clearing all data. I will have, this is the old net start results. Yes, I'll have to stop this. Okay, let's do it again. So the software that I'm using, Capsa, is triggering the alarm, and that's the that way we can see the attack is successful. And yeah, the HPing3 tool is generally used by the attackers to do this.